What's up, guys? How's everybody doing out there? Pandora, the postcard diva. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back. If you haven't checked out my projects to see what I got going on, make sure you go to this website, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out, see what we got. All right, so today, remember the beginning of the year, I said to you, what's new? What are we wanting to explore for this year, right? We always have been an affiliate marketer, right? For the last 10 plus years, I've been an affiliate marketer, digital marketer. And then about what, I don't know, 3 years ago, is it 3 years, 2 years, 3 years, I explored crypto, got into that, learned crypto. It's definitely been in a journey. I've learned a lot with crypto, and I do know that it's definitely somewhere you want to be. You want to get educated on it, guys. It's not going anywhere. Crypto. We've got some other projects in crypto, and we'll be talking about those as well. Not today, but crypto. I explored that. I'm in crypto. Love it. That space. Now for 2025, I mentioned to you guys earlier this year that I want to explore the stock market, right? Of course, I know about, the blue chip stocks and that kind of thing. But to really know the stock market and explore it and learn more, I'm here for that for 2025. So what I've discovered, and I've been watching this, I haven't talked about it, but I've been watching the stock market and kind of seeing what's going on out there. And I've discovered this platform called Webull. Okay. Perfect for beginners, perfect for newbies. Since I am going to be a newbie in the space, I was looking for a platform that I can kind of learn from. They've got a mobile app. They are registered broker, and it's user-friendly, newbie-friendly, rather. So I just want to do a quick review on it, and it's a lot to the Webull platform. I just want to intro it, touch on it just a little bit. But we have placed a link for Webull for your newbies out there, and you want to start exploring the stock market, maybe invest in the stock market and get educated in the stock market. Webull is definitely somewhere I would highly recommend. And I've got a link right here on this page, coffeeandcoins.info. Just click this little image here. It says Webull. Click it. They've got an app you can download on the App Store or Google Play. All right. And you can get some free stock. All right. That is powerful. And when I discovered that, I'm like, oh, let's register. Right. So Webull, let's just do a little overview on it. Well, review just a little bit on it. All right, guys. So we come to the Webull here. This pops up. Get up to 40 free stocks. Deposit and earn up to 40 free stocks, and the value ranges anywhere from $3 to $3,000. So that's amazing, right? To be able to get some free stock, I'm here for it. So anyway, let's go over it a little bit. So as you can see here, we're on the desktop version. I think the mobile version is a little bit more user-friendly, I found, but we have it on the desktop as well. So we're just going to go over this a little bit of this, and we're going to be talking about it. And what I think I'll probably do is maybe once a week kind of cover, or more, it just depends on what's going on, but at least once a week we want to cover our we're going to talk about what we got going on with stock and what we're learning here with stock market. Okay. And so Webull, trade crypto futures, leverage the power of crypto futures trading on Webull, diversify your portfolio or leverage cryptocurrency market movements with our seamless low-cost futures plan, right? So they've got that. They've got the desktop version. As I explained, you can just download that here. More activity, more opportunity, next level data. Webull's trading and investing products, stocks. Okay, this is what I'm interested in. trade exchange, listed U.S. stocks, international stocks through ADRs, fractional shares, and OTC stocks. They've got options for the folks that's interested in trading. Okay, this is a powerful little app, and again, I wasn't familiar with this, so I am learning as I go, but I can tell you it's definitely beginner friendly. Okay, so stocks, ETFs, we're learning more about that as well. So stocks and ETFs is something I'm interested in just learning every day. I'm really intrigued with it, of this market. So you can diversify your portfolio with ETFs using our screener, intuitive research tools, and elite trading features. Okay, so they've got ETFs here. Why invest with Webull? Because it's zero commissions. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, and options, all commission free. How about that? No margin interest or short selling fees for intraday trading. All right. Advanced charting tools, enhanced pattern recognition tools with detailed drawings, indicators, and technical signals, in-depth quotes, extended hours, trade during extended hours, including pre-market, 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and after hours, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Access to all trading platforms, seamlessly trade and manage your investments across mobile, web, and desktop. I love that. Different brokerage account types. Okay, traditional, Roth, or rollover IRA, guys. So this is a awesome platform. Like I said, I wasn't aware of it because I wasn't really in this space, but I'm learning so much. And this again is a beginner friendly platform. I mean, perfect for beginners, but people that's been doing it for a long time, perfect for you as well. So you can trade today with a cash or margin brokerage account. What else do they offer? They offer paper trading, so you can kind of test the market without really using your own money. Test trading strategies with real-time quotes without risking a penny of your own money. Okay? They've got a community. You can discover, interact, and share new trading ideas about the market, stocks, and ETFs, and more. And most of all, for me and you, especially if you're a beginner, you can get educated, guys. Okay, you get educated on the fundamentals, technical analysis, and advanced strategies before you even start trading or investing, for that matter. All right, and as I stated, Webull is a financial LLC. They're registered and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC and Financial Industry Regulatory. Okay, so they are a real broker, okay, brokerage firm. Now let's take a look at some other things they've got here. So check out the trading and investments. They've got trading, right? We got stocks, overnight trading, options, index options, futures, ETFs, OTC, margin, fractional shares. That's amazing. All right, learning a lot about that. Then investing, cash management, Webull Smart Advisor, recurring investing. All right, where you can set up, if you want to, let's say, invest $5 a day, you can just set that up like on autopilot, and they'll just take it out of your account, and you can invest without you even thinking about it. Okay, this is lovely, 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 lovely. Retirement accounts, IRAs, fixed income, U.S. Treasuries, money market funds. They've got tools, as I said, the paper trade up here. Oh, where did it go? Paper trade, where you don't have to use your own money. They've got the tools you need. And check it out, the platform. They have the desktop version and they have the mobile app. Okay, really cool stuff. Like I said, I really like the app when it comes to just checking everything. It's just real user friendly. Of course, I'm using the desktop as well. And then they've got live quotes, right? They've got live quotes here that you can check out, as you can see here. Everything is right here at your fingertips, guys. I mean, this is an awesome platform. Then, of course, they've got promotions, which I'll talk about here in a second. Let's go over here. Let's click on this. Hub. More from Webull. They've got partners that they've partnered with. All that is here. You can learn this platform. You can learn about the stock market. All right, and then they've got help, of course. But this is an awesome platform that I'm learning more and more and more about. Now let's check this out. Let's see what promotion they got going on. As I said, you can get free stock, right? So let's go here and let's check it out. Okay, so Webull offers promotions. Explore our range of offers and promotions tailored to suit your financial needs. Unlock superior insights, LV2 market data right here. Learn more, just click this little button here. Futures promotion, deposit $500 and trade your first 50 contracts to be traded within the initial 3 months, commissions free. You will also receive 3 months of free CME Group Level 2 market data. This one right here, a lot of people probably is not aware of, whereas I was not aware of. You can get free fractional shares. Get 20 free fractional shares by depositing $500 to $1,999.99 and maintaining for 30 days. Get 40 free fractional shares by depositing $2,000 or more and maintaining for 30 days. So the idea of being able to get these, as well as if you share this with others, the company will give you free shares. Okay, so this is amazing. So it's easy to get started. You can open your Webull account, select your offer or promotion, all right, that best aligns with your goals. Fund your Webull account, add the required deposit, and qualify for a promotion. So let's see what they got going on here. Let me see. Hang on. All right. Deposit and earn up to 40 free fractional shares. You click here to get started. As you can see right here, each share is valued anywhere from $3 to $3,000. Deposit more, you get more. So check it out. If you deposit $2,000, you're going to get 40 free fractional shares. If you deposit $500 to $1,999.99, you're going to get 20 free fractional shares. Each share is valued between $3 and $3,000. So they explain here why choose Webull. And there's some other apps out here too as well. But they're saying why choose Webull. Well, they have cash management where you can actually deposit like a savings account in here. Like let's say, just like you would at a savings account for a bank, 100, 200, 300, whatever you want to deposit, and you can earn 3.75% APY. Your money is worth more. They also have various investment products, trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, and bonds with Webull. You pay no commission, trade stocks, ETFs, and equity options with 0 commission. And then here is one of my favorite, fractional shares of trading. Invest with as little as $5. $5. I got to shout them out for that. $5, guys. Who would have thought? Who would have thought with as low as $5 you can start investing, okay, or trading, right? Amazing. So all you need to do is create your account. Go to coffeeandcoins.info. Okay, you're going to come to the page I just showed you. Click there. Go here, coffeeandcoins.info. Come right here. Click anywhere on this image. Okay, or even here. See how the line comes up? Anywhere here, and go ahead and create your free account, guys. Because this is amazing to be able to get some free fractional shares. That's number one. Number two, if you do share it with others and they make a deposit into Webull, the company is going to give you some free fractional shares. All right. So just wanted to bring this to light to you guys. If you're not familiar with Webull, I highly recommend checking it out, because we are definitely going to be into this and learning every day about the stock market and using Webull to help us track the market and to track these free stock shares that I'll be getting. All right. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.